Imagine a charming community of single-story homes nestled along the hillside of a beautiful Southern California valley, with RV parking on select home sites and no homeowners association fee. Find exactly this at Lennar's Heritage Heights community in Menifee. This community of single-family homes offers 5 innovative single-story floor plans featuring approximately 1,678 to 2,686 square feet of living space, with 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2 to 2.5 bathrooms, and 2 bay garages. The homes at Heritage Heights come equipped with Lennar's Everything Included package, featuring stylish upgrades included at no extra cost, such as stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, fireplace in the great room, and so much more. These homes also come equipped with energy-efficient features, such as tankless water heater, LED downlights at select locations, and dual-glazed vinyl windows with energy-efficient low E glass, so you can save money while also helping save the environment. Located near freeways for a faster commute time, Heritage Heights is situated within a great location. Nearby walking trails and amazing shopping opportunities assure that you will love all that this new community has to offer. With a new park coming soon to the Heritage Heights community, you will not need to venture very far to enjoy a day with your family and friends. Enjoy all of this without having to worry about an HOA fee. All new homes in Heritage Heights will receive the recognized Wi-Fi certified designation and will include superior smart home automation features. Lennar has partnered with the Wi-Fi Alliance to deliver the world's first Wi-Fi certified home design. Now you can stay connected to the things that matter most and enjoy a home that adapts to your way of life. With a better connected home and included smart home technology, you are sure to find your dream home at Heritage Heights.